We're here at Field of Mars to learn all about classification. Classification is the process of grouping things based on their similarities. Let's see if we can classify what we find on the ground. I've just created 3 groups based on their similarities. I have leaves, rocks, and sticks. We classify things into groups so we can stay organised, keep track of things, and make comparisons. It also helps us understand how things are related throughout history. A classification key or branching key is a series of questions which help us identify what something is.
I'm going to use this classification key to find out what kind of vertebrate the blue-tongued lizard is. I can see that the lizard has no fur or feathers, but it does have scales, but I can't see any gills. So this tells me it must be a reptile.
There are so many amazing things to classify here in the Field of Mars bush. We would love to see what you've classified at your school.